This video I will explain how to use Google Pay safely and also we will see some of the basic security tips. What is Google Pay? Google Pay is a digital payment app that allows you to send, receive and pay money online directly from your bank account using your mobile phone. You don't need cash or physical card. All payments are made through your linked bank account using UPI. UPI is a secure system used in India for instant bank transfers. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. Why security matters in Google Pay? Since Google Pay handles your money and banking information, it is very important to use it safely. If someone get access to your phone or banking details, then they could try to misuse your account. That is why understanding how to protect your UPI PIN, phone and account is essential. Now we will see how Google Pay keeps you safe. Google Pay has built-in security layers to protect your money and transaction. Here is how it protects you. Every payment is verified with your UPI PIN. UPI PIN is nothing but 4 or 6 digit number known only to you. Google Pay does not store your PIN or bank password on its servers. All payments happen through secure UPI network, which is authorized by banks and the government. You receive instant alerts after every transaction, so you can notice if something goes wrong. It supports biometric security for opening the app. Biometric security is nothing but like a fingerprint or face unlock. Even with this protection, your safety also depends on how carefully you use the app. Now we will see security tips for using Google Pay safely. You never share your UPI PIN. Your UPI PIN is like your ATM PIN. It authorizes money transfers from your bank. Never share it with anyone, even if they claim to be from bank, customer care, or Google. Google or your bank will never ask your UPI PIN. You do not click unknown links. Scammers often send fake messages with links that look like Google Pay offers or cashback rewards. Never click those links. They might take you to the fake website, which is designed to steal your details. Only open Google Pay app directly from your phone, not from any link sent by others. You should be careful with payment request. When someone sends you money request, always check who is asking before approving it. Fraudsters can trick you into tapping pay instead of receive, which sends money from your account to their account. Always read the message carefully and confirm the receiver's name before approving. You have to use screen lock and biometric protection. Set up a strong phone password and you have to enable fingerprint or face unlock. This ensures that even someone gets your phone, they cannot open the Google Pay app without your permission. You have to regularly check your transaction history. In Google Pay, go to transaction or activity to view all the payments you have made or received. If you notice a payment you did not authorize, then report it immediately using the help and feedback section in the app or contact your bank directly. You have to keep your app updated. Always use the latest version of Google Pay from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Updates often include security fixes that protect you from new types of fraud. You have to avoid public Wi Fi for transactions. Never use public Wi Fi, like in malls or cafes, to make payments. Public networks are not secure and can allow others to intercept your data. You have to use your mobile network or home Wi Fi instead. You have to verify genuine contacts. When sending money, double check the receiver's name and UPI ID and whether the profile picture and name match the person you know. This prevents you from accidentally paying the wrong person. Now we will see common scams to watch out for. First one is fake offers or cashback messages. For example, you have won 5000 rupees, click here to claim. These are fake. Google Pay never asks you to click a link to receive cashback. Second one is QR code scam. Scammers send a QR code asking you to scan to receive money. In reality, scanning that QR code may send money from your account instead. Only scan codes when you are paying, not when you expect to receive money. Third one is impersonation scams. Someone may pretend to be a friend or relative and ask for money urgently. Always call and confirm before sending the money. Fourth one is fake customer support calls. If someone calls claiming to be from Google Pay support and ask you for a PIN, OTP, or a screenshot, hang up immediately. Real support will never ask for sensitive details. What to do if you suspect a fraud? If you think someone is misusing your account or you send money to the wrong person, then open the Google Pay app, go to Help and Feedback, tab Contact Support, or report a problem. You can also immediately contact your bank's helpline to block suspicious transactions. You have to act quickly. The sooner you report, the higher your chances of getting help. Here you can see the summary of what I have explained till now.